All right, what's up, guys? I'm here with Sam here, helping me out. It's raining, second half. It is Glacier Peak 8th grade football team going against defending champs Ferndale. It is 22-0 Ferndale. Hopefully we can bring you guys some more action and we can execute and put some points on the board. Hope you guys enjoy the second half. We'll see you at the end of the game. Okay, here we go. Start the second half. 22-0 Ferndale. Ferndale in blue. GP in white. Kicks it off. And still on the ground. It's live. Picks it up. And he's trying to make his way around. And guess down at the 20. Okay, Ferndale from the 20. First down. Snap. Hands it off. And gain of 3. Second down. Snap, sends it off. And gains another 4 yards. Third and 3. Could be sneak again. Get him this time. Don't let them go. Fumble. Ball came out. And he came over there. At the 35. First down. Hands it off.
Back going over the right side. Gain about a yard on the play.
Second and 9. Snaps, hands it off. They're going to the left. And good defense. Good play. Okay, holding on that play. We're going to replay second down. Second and 19. And KD's going to take it. He's going around. And catch about 4 yards. It's going to be third and long coming up. Third down. Coming. Oh, he escapes. And, he bounces out, but gets caught. Titus with a stick with it. He missed the player and then came back to get him. It's 4th and 9. Are they really going for it? Yes, they are. QB's going to roll on. The keeper got to contain outside. And he runs out of bounds. Oh, it's going to be close. It's going to be. Is it first down or is it turnover? It's first down, Ferndale. Okay, they just got enough for the first down. Now from the 46-yard line. Shoots to the right. Gain another 10. First down. Going to the right side. You gain a 3. Second and 7. Sweeping to the left side. He's trying to hang on. Gain a 1. Third down. They're at the middle. And good tackle. But it's going to be 4th and 1 coming up. 4th down. Snaps it. Going up. And cuts inside. Enough for the first. First down from the 30-yard line. Snaps. Going to the right side. Second and 1. Coming up the middle again. And gain enough for the first. Okay, first down from the 15. Coming with the blitz. Oh, he goes right by him. He's going to have an open field. Walks in untouched. Touchdown, Ferndale. Extra point attempt. Oh. No good. 28-0 Ferndale. Ferndale kicking off again. Oh. Picks it up. And down to the mid. That is the end of third. Coming into fourth quarter, 28-0 Ferndale. Okay, Glacier Peak gets the ball. Start of fourth. Looking to pass, catches it. Good cut in, bounces out. Nice. And he has nobody else to block.
There's a flag on the play.
Well, they call holding on Glacier Peak. I don't know how that's possible because nobody was blocking. Nobody had hands on anybody. However, it was holding. Replay, first down. Incomplete. Okay, second down. Off the hands. Okay, that was roughing the passer on Ferndale. First down, Glacier Peak rolling out. Another flag on the field. Laundry's everywhere today. Or now. Holding now on offense. Okay, it is first and 20. And here's the ball. Oh, reverse coming this way. Got a good blocker coming down the. Oh! And he got hit hard. Second down and 7. Going to the right side. Oh, there's a foot race down the field. Oh, he cuts in. He's still going. Oh, he's still going. Goes down. Nice gain to the 10-yard line. First and goal from the 10. Screen pass, catch. And he's got one blocker, breaks one, and is in. Touchdown, Glacier Peak. We get on the board. Good job. Okay, rain's coming down. What's he doing? Practice kicking? Here we go. Extra point attempt. Yeah, extra point attempt. Oh, damn. Okay, Glacier Peak's on the board, 28-6. Ferndale. Glacier Peak kicking off. It is pouring. It's down at the sweet spot. And goes out of bounds. Okay, Ferndale with the ball on the 36-yard line. Okay, snaps it up the middle there. And down. Gain about 8. Hey, everybody. Ace has got a job duty. Umbrella man. Mama's still taking photos. Coming down. Second down. Short. And gets enough for the first. First down for Ferndale. Right at the midfield. Snaps. Going up the middle again. Just keeps on pounding. Second and 4. Takes it. Up the gap there for another first down. First down, Ferndale. All I hear is the rain. That's all you gotta hear, folks. It's coming down. This is crazy. Holy moly. You never wear slippers to the football field in the rain. Second down, Ferndale. Going around the right side. Another flag. Holding on offense. Got to replay second down. 5 minutes and counting left. Another flag. That was on defense. Second and 5. Get some more yards. 4 minutes and counting. In this heavy downpour. Where's the ball? He's going outside. Almost down to the goal line. Yeah, I think it's first and goal. Ferndale gets it. Going up. And it's going to be stopped there. We are just gonna sit here and film. We are not moving. And touchdown, Ferndale. Extra point attempt. On the ground, hits it down, and looks as good. It's good. 35-6, Glacier Peak. 35-6, Ferndale. We have a rainfall. Look at the stairs. We have a look at the stairs. It's crazy. It is coming down. Waterfall.
Just take a chance of it now.
Ferndale, kickoff. Surprised there hasn't been a fumble yet. Picks it up, it's going, looking for room. Getting some blocks, hopefully. Nope, he's gonna get wrapped up. Goes down.
I can't tell if the Edmonds game was worse or not.
This is bad. Where's the ball? I don't even know. Hey, Glacier Peak with the ball again here. Throws, catch. We're running to the side. Nowhere to go. Second down, just a little over 2 minutes to go. Sweeps to the left side. Got a blocker. He's being patient. And good run for a first down. Still got a little waterfall over there. That's some work of art. First down for Glacier Peak. Looking to throw, incomplete. Okay, second or third down, or I don't know anymore. Ball's on the ground. And he slows down for a sack. Okay, a minute left. Third down and long. QB's gonna keep it. Looks like he's gonna run. Try to. Stiff arms. Goes down. Let the clock run. Let's go. Run this baby out. Let's get out of here. Fourth down. Okay, last play on offense, probably. Going to the sweep. Nope, he's going to get first down. And run out of bounds. And that's going to stop the clock. 13 seconds left. All right, let's run the play. Run 13 seconds off. And end this. Here we go. From the 32. Sweeps to the right. He's running. He's going. He's going. He's moving. He needs some blockers.
3 seconds.
3 seconds left. Okay, this should be the final play. 3 seconds left. From the 7-8 yard line. Sweeps to the left. Oh, the ball's loose. Ferndale picks it up. Oh, timely goes down. And that should be the game. 35-6 Ferndale. All right. Crazy weather. I love the rain. No, I hate the rain. What's the score? Whatever. Ferndale won. Good job, Ferndale. I can't wait to go home and get out of here because I hate Washington weather. I don't even know why we live here. How about you?
It is well so wet.
Yeah? Okay. It is pouring down. You guys saw the waterfall over there on display. So, good job to Glacier Peak. Good job to Ferndale. Thanks for the great game. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy next time. Peace. See ya. Love you all, you guys. Always believe in yourself. Never give up on dreams. You can do anything with God. Peace.